Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change call background in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app and then tap on three dots, then go to settings option. Now from here go to call background option, then choose SIM card. If I select SIM 2, then tap on background, and that's it. From here you can change your call background and you can choose any design as you like. If you want to set this call background, just tap here, then tap on set as call background, and it's done. You can see call background has been changed successfully. Now if you tap on background option again, now if you want to set call background from your gallery, just scroll down, then tap on this icon and then choose any background as you like. If I select it, then tap on set as call background, and that's it. You can see call background has been changed successfully, and that is how you can change call background in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.